Do you know what's hiding underneath your cookies or sheet pan dinners? If you're using the wrong baking liner, you could be exposing your food and your family to harmful toxins or even microplastics. In this video, I'll show you the safest sheet pan liners, the toxic ones to ditch immediately, and how to spot the difference before your next bake. This is the Healthy Skillet, and we're cooking smarter, not just cleaner. But before we dive into what's safe and what's not, let's go back to the beginning. You're watching the Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, delete toxins, review recipes, products, and recalls. Thanks for watching. At the turn of the 20th century, home baking was already popular, but baking liners weren't in wide use. Cooks used greased pans, usually with lard or butter. In the 1930s and 40s, commercial parchment paper began making its way into bakeries in Europe and the United States. It was bleached, acid treated, and often coated in Quilon, a chemical known to release toxic chromium when heated. Then came aluminum foil in the 1950s. It was a game changer. It was heat proof and convenient, but not nonstick, and can leach aluminum into food, especially acidic dishes. By the early 2000s, silicone baking mats became the eco-friendly hero, non-stick, reusable, and safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit if you bought the right one. Let's break down each option, what to avoid, what's safe, and the healthiest liner you can use today. Parchment paper is the classic choice for clean baking. It's made by dipping cellulose paper into sulfuric acid to create a non-stick, grease-resistant barrier. But not all parchment paper is safe. Many brands bleach their paper and coat it in Quilon, a chromium-based compound that becomes toxic at high heat. The best parchment is unbleached and coated with food-safe silicone. Look for brands that clearly state they're unbleached, chlorine-free, and compostable. Some baking mats were introduced commercially in France and gained popularity in the 2000s. These mats are made of food-grade silicone reinforced with a fiberglass mesh core. The silicone creates a non-stick surface and can be reused thousands of times. Yes, fiberglass is inside the mat, but it's sealed and never comes into contact with food unless the silicone is damaged. If you begin to see peeling or bubbling silicone, exposed white mesh fibers, cuts, gouges, or a sticky surface, it's time to ditch the mat for a new one. Cleaning a silicone mat is simple. Just use warm water, mild soap, and the occasional baking soda soak for stubborn grease. Today, the healthiest choices are silicone baking mats. They're reusable, durable, non-toxic if intact. Unbleached silicone-coated parchment paper, which is disposable but compostable and toxic-free. You've been watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, delete toxins, review recipes, products, and recalls. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.